Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's January 29th. This is our last day of our Allendale Ag Leaders Conference. I do want to thank everyone that has logged on and has been a part of our conference series here this week. I know our presenters have done a fantastic job going in depth for corn, beans, wheat, and Drew Lerner touching on the weather yesterday. Very good responses from that. And then today we dive into the livestock. It's not too late still to register. Rich Nelson's going to give us an in-depth look here of livestock. And then we're going to give some trade recommendations and some strategies, as well as how do you take this information and where do we go from this. So, but you can still get online and still view our conference that we've put together for you. And so if you need help, give us a call. We'll be glad to get you going there as well. Things to look at today. We did have export sales this morning. They were looking for 850,000 tons to 1.2 million for corn. Came out just over a million at 1.07. Beans, 200,000 to 400,000, came out at 888, so more than doubling the higher end of expectations. We've seen a lot of cancellations as of late, and need to keep an eye on that too. But good export sales helping support the market, at least for that overnight trade. Beans ended up a little higher, up 3 3/4 cents. Corn, though, finishing down 2 1/4, sitting near this 370 area, and then wheat down 2 1/4 as well. But the export sales for wheat coming in a little friendly, 250,000 to 450 was expectations. Came in at 544. So good sales all around, and we'll see if that matters much today. I think what you're going to end up fighting, though, is a lot of these technical areas that are still for corn and beans and wheat right now that we're still kind of gravitating toward, but also end of the month selling yet. We are coming up. We've got just a couple more days here, today, tomorrow, just to finish out the month. And a lot of times we continue to gravitate in the direction that we've been going just to finish up the month. But remember, next week, new month. Are we going to see new money, new buying, new what? The dollar right now is kind of stopping that party that we may end up seeing. As the dollar continues to climb, it really hurts our I guess, exchange rate here as far as our goods. And that may continue if this dollar continues to gain some strength. The euro continues to tumble. That gives European wheat more of a favorable look versus ours. So we could see this start to affect some of our exports as well. There has been some chatter around that, and I think that might be looked at a little closer as we move forward as well. So continue to kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Looking at livestock, you've got cattle right now starting off a little lower this morning. Box beef coming in a little mixed. Choice down 41 cents. Select up 8. But we did see some light trade. Kansas, 158.50. Just a few thousand head. Last week we were at 159, so just slightly lower. And then we've got hogs right now. They're chopping back and forth of unchanged, even though cutout value's down $1.28. We saw a drop yesterday, another drop here overnight, and that's there's not a lot of positive news yet for these hogs. Still trying to find a bottom in here and seeing if we can rally out of here. So anyway, give us a call if you have questions. Looks like some of these outside markets, stocks up 61. Gold down 15, silver right now down 56, with the dollar down 8, but back and forth of unchanged for that dollar. Give us a call if you have any questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.